everyone, thanks for joining me today in my kitchen. So as you can tell, things might be a little bit different than normal. I actually want to introduce a new segment that I am calling Cheap and Healthy, and here you'll be able to find cheap and healthy food and recipe ideas. To kick things off, I wanted to show you a smoothie recipe that I use quite often whenever I need a little pick-me-up because it's very light and it doesn't take very much prep, and it requires like 4 ingredients plus water. And it's also very sweet because of one of the ingredients is grapes, so you don't even have to use any kind of sweeteners or anything like that. So let's take a look at the ingredients. I don't know how you feel about spinach, but I usually use about like 2 handfuls of spinach, 2 good-sized handfuls. So these are just spinach leaves. I hope you can see them here. So then the next ingredient is 1 whole apple, like this one. I actually have one that I already cut up here. I take about half of an avocado, so as you can tell, this is a whole one. Just so you can see what it looks like in case you don't know what avocado, looks like normally outside of guacamole. So just half of that. And then about a half cup of grapes, and they can be, any kind of grapes. It can be green grapes, or these ones are actually red. I don't know that it really matters very much, but I just get whatever sounds good, really. So I'm going to put that back here. And then and the last ingredient is it's actually a cup of water. This is actually only a half cup, so I'm going to have to refill this when I start to blend everything. So I actually use a Ninja blender, and it comes with these great little cup things. This one's actually 2 servings, but I tend to like to do about 2 servings. I just kind of sip on it throughout the day because it's nice that way, because then I don't have to go and like make another smoothie and do all that kind of stuff. So now I'm going to go ahead and start to combine the ingredients. So let's go ahead and, so this is the top, and it just, it's got a blade on it, and then you just stick it on here. Okay. Gotta make sure it's really on there, because I've had it when it wasn't on there all the way, and it just kind of like threw water and liquid everywhere. So just make sure that's on there. Okay. Alright, so this is the final product. It's got this really pretty green color, thanks to the avocado, I would imagine. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. That's really good. You can definitely taste the apple and the avocado, probably, I would say, the most. Which makes sense, since they're probably the most ingredients that are in there. And like I said, the smoothie is great because you don't have to use any kind of extra sweeteners, and all the ingredients are just like raw and whole foods, and that's, fantastic whenever you can get that kind of thing. So I hope you will give the smoothie a try, and I hope to see you in any videos that I do in the near future, which, I hope will be quite soon. I will continue to put out videos that are like this one as often as I can, along with more workout recovery kind of videos. And so please like and subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. And please give the smoothie a try. Bye!